Betty and I, blank, to the door. Betty and I, plural subject. So the answer is, run. Betty and I, run, to the door. The butcher or the baker, blank. The phone, the butcher, or the baker, singular subject. So, the answer is, the butcher, or the baker answers the phone. In the evening, a mosquito and a wasp, blank, around the campfire. Now it's your turn to answer. Buzz or buzzes? Comment below. I have, you have, he has, she has, Rena and I have, we have, they have. It has or have? Comment below. How we spell this word? No. How do we spell this word? Does he loves you? No. It is does he love you? She must has gone. No. It's wrong. She must have gone. Next, I'm agree with you. What is the correct sentence? Comment below. I saw it on your website. I read it in your email. I saw it on your story. I saw it in your post. I saw it in your bio. I feel sad. I feel blue. My mistake. My bad. I'll pay the bill. It's on me. I made a mistake. I screwed up. I understand you. I feel you. I have no money. I'm broke. I like you. I'm into you. Text me. Hit me up. Single, double, triple, quadruple, quintuple, sextuple, septuple, octuple, nonuple. Now, what about this? Comment below. Instead of saying very, you can say this. Very easy, smooth, very confused, perplexed, very funny, hilarious, very dry, parched, very smelly, pungent, very happy, over the moon, very easy, piece of cake, very tired, worn out, very quickly, in a heartbeat, very expensive, costs an arm and a leg, to relax, to let your hair down, to understand, to get the picture, to get married, to tie the knot, to be undecided, to sit on the fence, act, action, create, creation, hate, hatred, secure, security, succeed, success, protect. What's your answer? Comment below. Good, adequate. Bad, detrimental. Common, ubiquitous. So, subsequently. Get, obtain, but. What is your answer? Comment below. Fat, overweight. Skinny, underweight. Stupid, foolish, ugly, unattractive. Old, elderly. Weird, strange, short. What do you think? Comment below. Humid, dry, rude, polite, liquid, solid, even, odd, fresh, stale, entrance, exit, brave, coward, clever, stupid. The study of Earth is called geology. The study of space is called astronomy. The study of weather is called meteorology. The study of life is called biology. The study of blood is called hematology. The study of plants is called botany. The study of flowers is called anthology. The study of culture is called ethnology. Asia has 48 countries. Europe has 50 countries. Africa has 54 countries. North America has 23 countries. South America has 12 countries. Australia has 14 countries. Antarctica has no countries.